Whether you are a retail or institutional customer, the first thing you want to know is how well we manage your money. Everyone has two basic expectations, safety and returns. Both are opposite goals, but we work hard to achieve both in a balanced way. Your money can be safe if A. We choose our investment carefully, B. Watch their performance regularly, and C. Take corrective action when needed.
We have an institutional policy which is mandated by the board, monitored by investment committee, and delivered by the team. This is the framework in which we operate. This framework is tight as well as practical enough to allow room for judgmental exceptions, which are not taken just by one individual, but by the whole team involving the CEO, CFO, the appointed actuary, the chief investment officer, along with myself, the CRO.
What about returns? This is where our expertise comes. I have professional fund managers who are experts in the equity and fixed income markets. I have been in the asset management industry for the past 20 years and have managed funds in Indian and global markets, managing assets over $10 billion. I know managing insurance funds is different. It's long-term and delivering consistent returns. I'm sure we have the right people with the right credentials to give you the comfort.
For equity investments, we follow both top-down and bottom-up approach. Looking top-down and bottom-up, we define our investment universe, which is a broad basket of stocks that we can invest in. Actual stock selection is primarily driven by fundamental analysis. Now, once we identify a good stock, we look at analytical and technical factors to see what's the right time to buy or to book profits. Based on technicals, we switch stocks and sectors to enter or re-enter the market. We also constantly review our strategies and actively engage in script management. We strive to outperform not just the benchmark indices, but also to deliver superior risk-adjusted return as compared to peer group over a medium to long-term horizon.
In fixed income portfolio, we are concerned primarily with the safety of investments and consistency of returns. How do we ensure this? We invest in companies with a high credit quality and a track record of good corporate governance. This helps us to keep our long-term investments safe and returns consistent. Once this is achieved, we try to improve the returns in our debt portfolio by suitably tuning the portfolio duration based on expected interest rate movements in the market. Over time, on a risk-adjusted level, we try delivering superior returns compared to a bank deposit or a typical bond fund in the market. Our aim is not to be content with good returns, but returns should stay superior on a risk-adjusted level.
How do you know whether we are doing a good job or not? Check out the information and analyze the trends. We publish our NAV daily, investment fact sheet monthly, and investment report quarterly. Our reports give you all the information you need about asset classification, maturity profile, sector-wise breakup, script-wise breakup, benchmark returns in the competing asset classes we operate, and so on.
When we give so much information, there is one problem. Customers get worried about market movement. Please do not choose a life insurance plan if you want to invest for the short term. We believe you have a good chance of earning consistent and above average market returns if you stay invested for long term.
How long is long term? We guess it's above 5 years at least. 10 years and more are better. The only way we can even out market fluctuations and deliver consistent returns are when you choose your investment period correctly and allow us to invest your money accordingly. So whether the NAV is going up or down, please do not judge us by short-term movements alone.
Many times customers ask us whether unit-linked plans are good or traditional plans are better. Similarly, many like to have guarantees. I like to say here, irrespective of the product design and its features, the performance of the fund is always market-linked. If the market delivers X return, the customer gets X return. If he wants more than X return, then there must be some price he is prepared to pay, which technically speaking would go towards funding his extra return. So in the end, it's the same. The only thing is how intelligently and consistently you can read the market movements and maximize your returns and minimize your risk. We believe our people and processes are up to this job.
One more thing. Are life insurance plans the best vehicles for savings and investment? They surely are if you think long term. If you start early, save regularly and think long term, Savings through life insurance plans can deliver the rupee cost advantage and the power of compounding that can be superior to those in short-term conventional saving instruments.